It's Alyssa from Romewise, your go-to guide to Rome. On today's video, we are going to talk about Rome in September. What the weather's like, what to wear, things you can do, and what to expect. Ready? Here we go. 1,000 cathedrals I have taken. So what are some things that you can do in Rome in September? Sightseeing is wonderful in September because it's warm but it's not too hot. Although at the very beginning of September it's still pretty summery and can be pretty hot. So if you're coming at the very beginning of September, you might want to treat it like a super summer month and visit things in the morning or the afternoon. But the rest of the month you can sightsee any time of day. It's comfortable. I'm walking around the middle of the day now. I've got short sleeves on. In the afternoon it cools down, so it's a really nice time to go sightseeing in Rome. This is a great time of year to take a food tour as well because you won't be uncomfortable from the heat, and you can walk around and taste lots of great Roman things. Great time of year to visit the beach, believe it or not, or any other day trip. Again, because the weather's so beautiful, the days are long and sunny. This is a great time to do things outdoors. You have lots of night events still happening. The Colosseum you can visit at night, the Vatican museums, the Viaggio nei Fori, which is a trip down the forums. That's really fun. There's lots of nighttime things to do, daytime things to do outside, and you can still eat outside. Guys, we're here at the Pantheon. This is the situation. Warm, sunny, beautiful, people wearing pretty, comfortable sort of summery clothes. It's pretty hot, and look at this huge line to get into the Pantheon. These are the crowds. See this light coming down right here? It's coming almost at us. It's coming out the door. We're walking into the Pantheon. It's not quite 1 o'clock yet on September 4th, and we're going to see something really special when we go inside right now. We're in the Pantheon. I'm super excited because we are about to see a very cool phenomenon that happens every year on this day. So you may have seen on the website that on April 21st there's a really cool phenomenon that happens when the light beam shoots out the front door. On September 4th we have a similar phenomenon where the light beam is actually going to kind of hug the front door and we're going to see an arc around it. It's really cool. We've already seen it. It's starting to happen right now, so take a look. So throughout the year, the light that comes from the oculus in the ceiling, this is the only source of light besides the door, that light beam moves around the Pantheon, and depending on the time of year, it's at different heights. Obviously during the day, it's at a different spot on the Pantheon. On April 21st at noon, this light beam arrives just about here, but it's lower, and it shoots out the front door, making it a kind of a sundial. And here we are on September 4th, where the light beam is actually going to hit the doorway a little bit higher up, and it's going to create a kind of a crescent around the door. So, this is the situation. End of September, it is peak season. Somehow I always get a lot of pushback when I say this. People say, wait a minute, I don't understand. But it's just the way it is. It's beautiful weather. People want to come to Rome now because it's not too hot, it's not too cold. The days are long and sunny. We don't get that much rain. And it's just a nice time to be here. So as a result, it's packed. You just have to come and prepare for crowds and prepare for lines. Book in advance when you can. Book restaurants in advance. Your favorite restaurants, all the ones on your list, they're going to be booked up. And dress in layers. You notice I've got short sleeves on. It's really warm right now. By the late afternoon when the sun starts going down, I'm going to need a cardigan and a scarf. I've got those in my bag. I'm wearing open-toed shoes. The end of September you can wear sandals, maybe one pair, but you can also wear closed-toed shoes. You'll be comfortable too. Just make sure that the shoes are really comfortable for lots of walking. I hope you've enjoyed this video all about visiting Rome in September. Please hit the like button below and subscribe. See you at the next video. Ciao for now.